floor. Maybe I'll buy a desk this week. How far is like, I wonder, is there an IKEA in Austin? You failed your driver's license test 11 times? Oh my gosh. I think you had a bad teacher. I don't think that was your fault. I think you had a bad teacher. I'm gonna move my plant. It's not gonna go there either. Look, I'll show you the idea, okay? Like here-ish. See? And then this is gonna be filled with plants. I wanna repaint it though, because it's like, ew! Oh my god, it's sticky! Ew! Oh my god, don't just touch random things. That's disgusting. Why did I do that? Ew. What the heck? I thought that was a stain and I touched it and it's sticky. Dude. Dude, that was disgusting. Oh my gosh. What even is that? It's like purple rings of sticky. Ew. Wash your hands, chat. It's not jizz, it's purple. Is there anything in here that I need to put in my room? Oh no. Oh no, no. The desk is not looking good right now. Let me fix it. Okay, wait. The desk does not look good right now. Okay, let me fix it. It's supposed to look like that. Why don't you put the fridge by the white shelf? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like on this side here. So I'm gonna have a cat tree, the shelf, then a fridge. I think that should be fine. I can't wait for Lily. I think we're gonna get her within the next few weeks because, so I took her to Missouri because we were going to be in Europe for 3 weeks and I didn't really know a lot of people in Texas, so I didn't know who was gonna watch her. And I thought we were gonna take Snoopy to like a dog hotel, so I didn't want like a random person to watch her. And also I feel like that's really lonely to have like a stranger come and feed you once a day and then like leave or something. So I just took her back to Missouri.